Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your water filter. Ooh, it isn't BRITA INTENZA filter in this case, and this is for your nice and delicious coffee. When we are preparing a flavorsome coffee drink, the water we are going to use plays an important role. After all, it accounts for about 98% of a cup of coffee. That is why we should use a water filter in a cartridge device, which is designed especially for that kind of machine. It allows the flavor to develop optimally and also gives us appellants maximum protection from lime scale. We are using a water filter cartridge not only reduces the calcium content but also filters substance which impairs the aroma and taste of our coffee, such as chlorine, out of our tap water, as the calcium content of the water has a significant influence on the aroma and the crema of our coffee. The filter cartridge has an aroma ring on the underside, and this we can program to our hotness level of our water at home. First step is we have to remove the entire water tank, and if we have the spoon nearby, because this spoon is attached to our appellants, and if it is there, we can use it to remove the old filter. So let's perform the first step. We have to remove the old one. Take the water tank in your hand and then easily slide with the spoon. Otherwise, you can use your hand as well, no problem, okay? If you have tiny hands, no problem. Then slide on the nipple on the top of the filter and slot it in there. Then you can remove the old filter. That's awesome. Here is the old filter. Whoa, awesome. Step number 1, finished. Here is the new filter. It is a brand new filter, and he's back in a sealing bag. Okay. The good old water filter cartridge is easy to use. We have just to program the right water hotness level into it. You can feel the old one is used because he's full of water, and the new one is brand new. We can turn the aroma ring on the underside of the water filter cartridge to correct the brightness level. Level 1 to 3 is ring A, level 3 is ring B, and level 4 is ring C. The next step is we have to hold the new water filter cartridge under cold water and gently agitate it to remove all the air bubbles which comes or are still in it, because the new water is now soaking into it. And it's important to fill up the entire filter with fresh cold water. If we perform this is the best thing to get the new filter into our housing. And of course we have to program the ring under it. The ring is in different levels. We have a setup of it. The ring levels 1 and 2 means that is setting number A. That is water level 1. That is so soft. Oh yeah. Then we have level number 3 is ring B. This is water hotness number 3. And if we choose number 4, this is for really hot water. This is ring C. So let's perform now to attach the new one. Then it is easy. We can perform like before with our spoon if we have it on our hand. Then we can get it in position into the water tank again. It's easy too, as you can see. So we have to place the filter cartridge firmly in the water tank by hand or using the measuring spoon if we have it nearby. So press it back in position and take care of the right direction of the filter. As you can see, he should look with the stomach to the inner water tank. Okay, now we can see it is docked into the hose of the filter on the bottom side of the water tank. And after we looked that there is a right lock and right connection with it, we can remove the spoon gently, easily. Job's done. Ooh, that it is how we have to remove, and we have to enter the new filter. And you can see it holds in position really good. The next step is, of course, we have to fill up the water tank up to the maximum range of filling line, and then we are nearly ready to have an awesome new cup of coffee with a delicious flavor. Oh yeah! But for this, we have to install the water tank back in position into the appliance, and then we have jobs done, as you can see. And there's only one thing we have to do. That means we have to get the machine an information that we built in a new filter system. For this, we have to get into our machine and go to maintenance and care services, okay? Then we can navigate to the filter, okay? If we found the filter setup, we push OK. And then we can choose no filter or a new filter is attached. So we are choosing now a new filter, and we're going to activate the new filter. So now the machine is knowing that we are replaced the filter, and we have time for another awesome and delicious time of coffee. Really good. The machine itself will inform you, will give you information. Within on the screen there comes please change the water filter. Then you have to replace the filter if you are going to you're going to use a filter system. Of course, you can remove the filter and switch to no filter. Okay, then you will not need a filter anymore, of course. But then your flavor is not so good like if you're replaced or using an awesome water filter. Okay, that is how it works. Of course, now the filter initialization process will cost a little bit of time, as you can see, and after it there is a little bit of water in the drip tray. This you have to remove before you can go back and make a delicious coffee again. Awesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.